Range expanders. Ever wondered what they are and how they work? Well, they allow you to measure large voltages and voltages that go below ground in a simple way. Let's take a deeper look at how they work. My name is Mike Beckage, co-founder of DTS, and one of the things that we hear a lot from our customers are questions regarding how to make measurements of voltages that are beyond the standard input range of our data recorders. The standard input range on our data acquisition systems is typically 0 to 5 volts. And as you can see on the right side of the diagram I have in front of me, the DAS input has plus and minus excitation and plus and minus signal. And both of those signal inputs must function in the common mode range of 0 to 5 volts. But what if you need to measure a signal source that moves plus and minus 10 volts around ground? Or what if you want to monitor the voltage on a battery, such as a car battery? Or connect a signal generator that has a grounded output? Well, we have a really simple tool in the kit here, and it's called a range expander, and it allows you to do all 3 of those things very easily. The range expander is an attenuator circuit comprised of 6 precision resistors, and it's quite simple. We have a 10K precision bridge that's fed by series resistors that can be of different values to support different input ranges. In the example before us, this is a device that is safe for connecting up to plus and minus 20 volts from any signal source. The attenuator network in the range expander is actually contained in the back shell of the connector or as an inline cable assembly, and so it's very small and doesn't get in the way of your testing. One of the beauties of this range expander is that it's what we call ground agnostic, meaning I can connect the negative input to a ground, I can connect the positive input to a ground, and because of the differential input nature of the range expander, it doesn't matter. You can ground it positive, negative, connect any signal source up to plus and minus 20 volts, and it works flawlessly. So to recap, the range expander is a perfect solution if you need to connect a signal generator, particularly one with a grounded output, or something like a battery in a vehicle, a car battery. Can also be very useful for any signal source that swings in a bipolar way around ground. Simply connect the signal to the input of the range expander, input the sensitivity from the very simple sensitivity calculation or the calibration data that we provide with the range expander, and you're all set to go. I hope this video has been helpful for you today, and if you'd like to find other helpful videos and instructional material, please visit the DTS Help Center. We've got lots of great information, and if you still need help, you can always input a request, and one of our very able technical support engineers will be happy to help you right away.